roadmap to become a automation test engineer in 2025. Okay, so guys, in this video I will discuss how to become a automation test engineer. If you are a manual tester, how to switch in automation. Okay, so guys, I could say people resigned and without offer letter, without preparation, and they are struggling. So first guys, first thing, automation testing profile is not easy profile. You have to code, you have to write the code, you have to learn the programming in the depth. Basics will not work. Okay, fresher have a knowledge of the basics, why the company will hire you and why the company is looking for experienced candidate in the automation testing, because company should not struggle much to deliver the task to the client, means deliver the task to the client. Understood, right? So they are looking for experience candidate, good knowledge in programming, good knowledge in framework, so they can deliver the task. They can deliver task on the on the time. Understood, right? So company will not going to train you. Okay, so now nobody will train you. Okay, they will give you only KT. So if you are planning to switch in automation, and you have to do practice lot, otherwise you will stuck in the your work. Okay, so I'll just give you some roadmap how to crack the interview, how to become an automation test engineer. So first of all guys, you have to select any programming language. You can select Java, Python or JavaScript. It is your choice, but my recommendation is learn Java, because Java is the programming language. Still, if we see in the description, out of 10 interview, 6 to 7 interview, they have a requirement for the Java. Definitely they will mention either you can learn Selenium or Playwright, your choice. Okay, if you are learning with Playwright, then go for the JavaScript with the Playwright. Okay, or you can, if you have some interest in the Python, so you can learn this Python Selenium as well, your choice. Any programming language, either Java, Python or JavaScript. But I told you requirement of Java is still out of 10, 6 to 5, or sometimes 7 also, you will see the Java requirement. Web automation. So here the people are doing the mistake. You are not learning the programming in the depth. Learn programming in the depth. Okay, go for complete syllabus and programming, a logical programming as well. So if you are learning daily 1 hour, so it will take around 20 to 25 days you can target to learn the Java. If you are spending more time, then definitely it will take less time to learn. Okay, then after learning the programming, you have to learn the web automation framework. So you can go for Selenium or Playwright as your wish. Okay, it will also take around 30 days. If you are spending 1 hours, it totally depend upon how much time you are spending daily. Then after learning this, you have a knowledge of the framework as well, how to implement the framework, how to automate test cases using the framework. Then basics knowledge of Git and Jenkins. This is also important. Okay, then you can start your interview. Okay, after 2 months you can start your interview. But nowadays API testing is also mandatory skills. Might we are not getting much calls. Definitely if you are have a UI uh, and UI automation, but API if you don't know, and definitely you have a very less call. If you will go for the job description, out of 10 company, almost company they are looking at least the candidate having the basics knowledge of the API. Without API testing, you cannot, you can't get the interview calls. You will get it, but very less. Then you have to knowledge, because API task is there for you guys. Okay, then you can start to learn basics API testing. It will, you can target minimum 30 days, I can say. If you are spending 1 hours, it will take 30 days for you. So 90 days consistent work. So in the API testing, basics API testing, Postman guys depend upon, but as of now, you have to know how to execute your test cases, manual services, web services using the Postman tools. That is fine. Java you already learned, then you can learn the REST assured library. Okay, REST assured is like a Selenium library, a spend and basics, advanced and framework. Then automate couple of API testing over there. Then after doing the practice of the framework, doing the practice and automating test cases, and then you can update your profile on your Naukri and LinkedIn. The problem is mostly people are struggling to learn. They don't have you guys definitely someone is try to learn from YouTube, Udemy courses, but still they're not confident because the content is not having in the systematic way. Suppose you are stuck in some issue you're not able to resolve, it will become the blocker for you, then interest will gone. Okay guys, so we are also planning we are also giving the live session for automation testing courses. If you are interested to join, you can join our session as well, where you guys can learn from the scratch, basics, advanced and real-time project. We will also support you for your resume building and getting the interview calls, mock interviews. We will provide the end-to-end support for you as your base. But Udemy and YouTube, yeah, many of them already learn, but they are not confident because I repeated the same this thing again and again. Understood it. That is the problem. Okay, so if you will spend 90 days, then you guys are able to at least you can say you have a 2 and 3 year of experience, but you have to do the practice. You are ready for 90 days for the interview only. After that you have to do a lot of practice for framework and script development. Okay, so if you guys follow this strategy, and definitely you will become a automation test engineer and you are able to crack the interview as well. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icons in the next video. Bye bye.